Hey dolls and divas, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing or getting this doll Glam for her photo shoots. It's a business shoot, and as you see, I'm starting off with her brows. So I am lining her brows at this time. After you line the brows, so you know you line bottom, you line top, then you're defining the brows with your concealer, making it all sharp and ready to go. I'm using here my LA Girl concealer to define her brows. Then I'm using some of my P. Louise base, I think it's number 3. To give me that base before I apply the shadows. So as you see there, I'm applying these shadows to the lid of her eyes. I'm starting with nude in the inner, and on the outer I'm using a brown kind of orange shade. I'm just giving her a natural look today because she's doing a business shoot, or she's doing a photo shoot for her business page, so of course you're trying to keep it as natural as possible. So now I'm using my 2-in-1 liner slash glue or lash glue. They are in stock at this time, so you can place your orders, divas. That's a 2-in-1 liner or eyeliner plus adhesive. It is used to it is a 2-in-1 that is used in place of using a liner plus a glue. So this is a 2-in-1 that already has both products in it. So here I am defining the top of her brows, just to blend everything in and to have her brows looking sharp and ready to shoot. I'm applying here my Juvia's Place foundation, one of the best Juvia's Place, I must say. These foundations are bomb. Full coverage foundations, a little go a long way. Trust me, Juvia's Place foundation is the foundation to use. Full coverage, and a little goes a long way. So now I am contouring, or I would say yes, I'm contouring, and I'm contouring the outer part of her face and giving her that nice shape. Then we're adding concealer for the under eye, just to brighten her under eye a bit. Juvia's Place all the way. Juvia's Place foundation, Juvia's Place foundation stick, Juvia's Place concealer. And as you know, when you're applying your foundations, powder, whatever it is that you're applying to the face, you do not wipe, but you pat it in. You don't want to wipe off the product, but you want to pat the product in on your face, so nothing moves. I'm confining her nose, defining her nose with my concealer, and here I'm setting it all with my banana powder and Sacha Cosmetics. Bronzing. I'm now adding my bronzer to her face just to define it all. giving her that sleek, sharp looking cheeks. Adding my medium brown black opal powder just on the bottom section of her jawline. So I didn't really let her set for a long time because she didn't really need a lot of setting. So I had her maybe set for maybe about 5 minutes or less. And now I am brushing it all out, or I should say brushing it all in to set her foundation that I had applied. She is sleeping, yes guys, she is. She got so comfortable. Yeah, when you come to Get Slayed by Kay, you always fall asleep. So now I'm lining her lips just to get it all together. So I'm lining her lips with my Kleancolor lip liner, lip/eyeliner, dark brown. Instead of having the line, so we're shading it in, so it gives us a defined. And yes, her eyes were, she was crying, tears of joy. But as I said, that Juvia's Place foundation didn't move. We're almost done, so we're now adding a natural looking color, a natural color to her lips. We're not gonna add any gloss because she's actually doing a photo shoot and it's outdoors. So I didn't really want it for her to have the gloss and then maybe she keeps wiping and it wipes off. So we had it matted. Setting it all. Set. And now I'm just gonna give her here a little styling. Because of course when you come to my salon, I do everything. You're not gonna come and be like, oh, I'm gonna go home and style my hair. I will do it. I'll get you ready. You just go home and get dressed. That's our finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. As I said, it's a natural look for a photo shoot and it's a business photo shoot. So we kept it natural, really nice, subtle, and she's now ready to shoot. She's now ready for her photo shoot. Thanks for making it Get Slayed by Kay. Come on guys, what are you waiting for? You need to come on over and book your appointments for your next occasion, okay? And please to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Get Slayed by Kay on YouTube. You can like and subscribe, and I do accept positive comments, positive criticisms, or negative criticisms. I wouldn't. If you don't have anything good to say, please don't say anything at all. Thanks for making it Get Slayed by Kay. Please go subscribe and like my videos on YouTube. So it's Get Slayed by Kay. Thanks for watching.